and welcome to today's class, children. Today we shall begin with a new chapter, that is at school. Chapter number 5, at school. Come, let's see what information it has to tell us. Children, we are on page number 25 and the name of our chapter is chapter number 5, at school. So you can be ready with your pencils so that you can underline the hard words as I will be teaching you. So let us start. Read along with me. I am Sonia. I'm going to school. Many children come to study here. We learn many things at school. So here we are talking about this small girl like you all. Her name is Sonia and she's talking about her school, that she goes to school every day, and like her many students or many children come to study with her in her school. And she is also saying that she does many things at school. In school, we have many teachers. We learn to read and write. Like in our school, children, remember you have many teachers to teach you various subjects like drawing, then craft, music, PT, then English, etc. You study various subjects and they are being taught to you by various teachers. We learn to do sums. We learn to paint and draw, learn about the world and learn to become good children. Children, as you know, is it only the subjects that are being taught to you? नहीं ना, आपको टीचर्स बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी बातें भी पढ़ाती है, like good manners, to stay clean, to have healthy food. ये सब चीजें भी आपको टीचर्स हमेशा बताती रहती है. So that is how not only books, our school is connected with the values, और हम बच्चों में अच्छी अच्छी बातें भी सिखाते हैं. So that is about the first paragraph. Now let's see next paragraph. Next paragraph is people who help us in school. So children, here we are going to talk about the people who are there to help us. स्कूल किसी एक इंसान के बदौलत नहीं चलता है चिल्ड्रन. कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उसको चलाने के लिए हमें बहुत सारे लोगों की हेल्प चाहिए होती है. So we are going to see who all are there to help this school run. First is our principal. Mrs. Roy is a kind lady. She takes care of the whole school. Here in Sonia's school, her principal's name is Mrs. Roy. Children, I have explained earlier also who is principal. Principal is the head of the family, head of our institution. So in our school, KLE English Medium School NTPC, who is our principal? Chetan Alwade sir is our principal sir. And our teachers are very kind and teaches our lessons very well. So, like Sonia, you also have many teachers in your school and they all teach you various subjects and impart knowledge in you. आपको बहुत सारे टीचर्स हैं स्कूल में सोनिया की तरह और वो आपको बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स भी पढ़ाते हैं. We love our school and respect our principal and teachers. Respect का मतलब होता है आदर करना. ओके, जैसे आप बड़ों का सम्मान और आदर करते हैं, आपके मम्मी पापा दादाजी नानाजी, वैसे ही हम स्कूल में we respect our teachers and principal. You stand up and greet them good morning, good afternoon when they come into the class. That is how you show your respect. And you love your school and your principal and your teachers because they impart knowledge within you. आपको बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी चीजें सिखाते हैं, आप उनसे रोज मिलते हो, आप फैमिली की तरह उनके साथ भी बहुत टाइम बिताते हो. So that is why you love them and respect them. We are another family away from the home. स्कूल भी आपकी एक फैमिली की तरह है, घर से आप जब बाहर निकलते हो तब. नेक्स्ट इज There are many other people also in the school who help us. They do many things for us. We must thank them for helping us. Children, unlike teachers and principal, it is not just the teachers and principal who run the school. There are another various people in our school who help the school to function, like our librarian, then our peon uncle, Anil Kaka hai hamare school mein, then Mossis. What they do, they keep our school premise clean. Then there are also various people working in bright sun, धूप में घास निकाल रहे हैं लोग. Who are they? They are the gardeners who keep our maintain our greenery in our school. हमारे जो स्कूल में जितनी हरियाली पेड़ पौधे हैं, they are all well maintained because of the gardener that works hard in the sunlight, in the scorching heat. इतनी तेज धूप में बारिश में हमेशा वो अपने फूलों और पौधों का ख्याल रखते हैं. Then mosses are there to keep your classroom clean. They take you to the toilet, so they are our helps. Also, there is a library in our school, and the teacher or the person who maintains the library, जो इंसान या टीचर जो लाइब्रेरी मेंटेन करती है और हमें किताबें पढ़ने के लिए टाइम टू टाइम लेके जाती है और देती है, शी इज कॉल्ड एज अ लाइब्रेरियन. ओके, तो she is also one of the help in the school. And a nurse in some schools, कुछ स्कूलों में हमेशा स्कूल में एक नर्स होती है कि if you have a fall or you get hurt, you start bleeding, then the nurse gives you the first aid. And if you fall ill during the school hours, आप स्कूल चल रहा है तो आप अगर बीमार हो जाते हो, तो आपका ख्याल कौन रखता है जब तक आपके मम्मी पापा नहीं आते हैं? This nurse auntie. So that is how we have different helps in our school besides our principal and teacher. Next paragraph is about the special days in school. Children, what is the meaning of special days? Special days means the celebrations that happen throughout the year in our school on Independence Day and Republic Day. When do we celebrate Independence Day, children? Yes, we celebrated on 15th of August. We celebrated it recently. And Republic Day कब होता है? It is on 26th of January. You can mark it down here. We have a parade at school. What is the meaning of parade? Parade मतलब a walk where students display discipline. They walk in a synchronized manner. एक साथ एक जैसा चलते हैं, and they have a walk in a specific radius and demonstrate the discipline and pay respect to the nation by saluting the national flag. We all have witnessed the parade on stadium and in our school as well. The principal hoists the national flag. Hoist का मतलब होता है झंडा फहराना. तो हमारे स्कूल में किसने झंडा फहराया था? प्रिंसिपल सर ने ऑन द 15th of August. We all salute the flag and sing our national anthem. हम क्या करते हैं? How do we celebrate it, children? We have various cultural programs. We pay respect to our nation by hoisting our national flag. We salute it and then we sing a national anthem. After that, we have various speeches on our nation, our freedom fighters by teachers, students, and then various students sing patriotic songs. Also, we have a cultural program where some of the students display their dance skills. That is how we celebrate these national festivals every year. Then is 5th September. Do you know what is 5th September? Yes, it is the Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. S means Sarvapalli. S. Radhakrishnan, a famous man and great teacher. He was a very great teacher, very intelligent and brilliant man, and as in order to pay tribute and respect to him, our country decided to celebrate or remember it as a Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year. The children take part in a function and they give flowers and cards to teachers. Do you remember, children, how we celebrate it in our school? Last year हमने भी किया था. You children give cards and flowers to us, and then you also do the role plays. कुछ बच्चे higher classes के बच्चे they dress up like teachers and conduct classes for us, and we teachers have various refreshments or arranged by the senior class students. They also asked us to play games together. We had a fun time, and you children made us feel special. आप लोगों ने हम लोगों के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें की थी उस दिन. So that is how we celebrate Teachers' Day with great joy. Then the next national festival that comes is 14th of November. We celebrate Children's Day. So Children's Day कब होता है आपको पता है? It is on 14th of November. और ये किसके जन्मदिन के अवसर पर होता है? किस हस्ती की याद में होता है? Yes, it is the birthday of पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी के बर्थडे के अवसर पर पूरे भारत में या पूरे कंट्री में चिल्ड्रंस डे के तौर पे मनाया जाता है. And you know why it is celebrated as Children's Day? Because Chacha Nehru या पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू used to love children. A great man who loved children very much. The teachers decorate these classes. There is the function in school. Sweets are given to the children. Remember, children, last year we did similar things for you. Teachers क्या क्या करते हैं? हमने बहुत स्कूल को बलून से सजाया था. Then we also gave refreshment, मतलब स्नैक्स दिए थे आप लोगों को खाने के लिए. We also conducted a special assembly where we played the role of students. We had a special assembly, sang different songs for you. It was a fun celebration altogether. So that is how we celebrate special days in our school. Besides these festivals, there are many more festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, Christmas, Raksha Bandhan, and many more celebrations. So our country is known as a country of unity in diversity. हम लोगों के बहुत भाषा, कल्चर सब विभिन्न है, तो इस वजह से हमारे देश में बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स भी मनाए जाते हैं. So we try and celebrate all cultures and all festivals in our school. So that is all we have to learn in this chapter. So let us stop for today. Children, you all take care. We shall meet in the next class with the question answers. Till then, you all take care and stay safe. Bye.